Hello, this is the revision video for the first session of portrait. So as you have learned to draw the front face of a female, so I'm just giving you a quick revision of that. First, you need to draw a line in middle. So that you can divide a paper into equal section. Now, before starting draw a face, so, what is a portrait? First, we need to understand that. So a portrait is a depiction of face. Like, that could be anything that is a human face or a face of an animal, which defines the characteristic and expression of that person. Okay, so that's the portraiture is all about. Especially when we talk about the portraiture, we relate to a human face. So in this lesson, we'll be drawing a female face. Okay, so when we draw face, there is some idealistic measurement. So first, what we need to do, we need to draw a circle. So we'll start drawing a circle, approximate from here, as you can see where I'm marking this point. And we'll leave some space. And we'll be drawing this circle till this point. So this much bigger will be the circle. Okay. So we'll always start drawing a face with a circle. Now after marking this dot, we need to draw the curve. So we'll be drawing one semicircle this side. Keep it light, okay, do not dark it. And one semicircle in this opposite side. Like this. Now after this, we'll be drawing a curve which defines the line of eyebrows. So see from where I'm starting. Now we'll draw a curve like this. As soon as we draw a curve, the circle transforms into a sphere, okay, which is a form. So the circle is a flat thing. When we draw a curve, it creates a volume in that circle and turn it into a sphere, which help us to create a volume in our face or in our portrait. So that's why during the portraiture, we always use the curve lines. Now, after this curve, we need to divide this circle into two equal parts so that we can create the symmetry while drawing features. So for that, what we do, we'll draw a line here in middle. So this line is just to create the symmetry. So draw this measurement lines very light, okay? Do not dark them, because once we draw the feature, we need to erase all of them. Now, after drawing this, we'll be measuring the width or the length of our jaw. So this section, okay, remember this section will be of nose. Okay, this much will be the length of a nose. So what we do, we'll measure this length. See how I'm measuring? My point is in this here on top. Tip of my pencil is on this point of intersection. And my grip is on the lower part of the circle. We'll move my pencil down with the same measurement and mark a point over here. Now, the reason of taking this measurement is because our forehead, our nose, and the lower part from the nose to the chin are all equal. These three sections are of equal length. So that's why we have measured the length of our nose and marked the chin. We'll follow the same process and we'll mark the line of forehead. We'll measure this and we'll mark a line of forehead. But somehow, due to the hairline, in many people, the forehead become quite short. So what we do, as we are drawing the female face, usually the female foreheads are a little bit shorter. So what we do, we'll bring this dot quite down. Now, as we have done with the measurement of our three section, now we'll draw the jawline. To draw the jawline, we need to draw the curve. So starting from this point, we'll bring the curve down and connect with this dot. And this side also will follow the same process. Keep your lines light. The jaw is curved because it is a female face. If it is a male face, the jaw will be quite angular. Now, after this, we'll be drawing a line of the nose. So for that, we'll start from the eyebrow section here. So see, I'm just drawing two curves, one this side and one this side. So make them quite symmetrical. Okay. Now in this both the side, we'll be drawing our eyes. After marking this thing, see, watch here, then you have to be symmetrical. Both the side, the distance should be equal. So here I'm drawing a circle, quite a small circle, which will be the tip of the nose. Now, after this, we'll be drawing the eyes. To draw the eyes, here I'm drawing one more curve, little bit lower than this one. Okay, lower than this one. So see where I'm drawing the curve. Now we need to draw the eyes. So here I'm marking two dots, one this side, another one this side. Now here we need to take some measurement. So for eyes, the measurement is the distance between the two eyes is equal to the length of an eye. So the distance between the two eyes, this is the distance between both the eyes. So what we do, we'll measure it, and this will be the length of an eye. So here I'm marking a point. So this measurement helps us to create the symmetry in both the sections. So this is how we take the measurement for the eyes. Now after that, we'll be drawing this eye. First, we'll draw the upper curve. So watch here how I'm drawing that. Starting from this, both the point, we'll connect them. Draw a curve on this side in a similar manner. Slightest variation is okay, but try to make them as symmetrical as you can. Now we'll draw the lower eyelashes. After this, we'll be drawing one more curve in middle here, which will act as the upper eyelash. We'll draw the same similar curve this side. After this, we'll be drawing the pupil. Now to draw the pupil, what we do, just need to draw two curves, one this side, one this side. We'll follow the same process for this one. After this, we'll define nose. To draw the nostril, okay, keep in mind the nostril will be in line with the tear duct of the eyes. So I'm just giving you a suggestive line over here. And so nostril will be from this part. On this side also, just drawing this suggestion line, and we'll draw a curve for nostril this side. Okay, so this will be the width of our nose. Now after that, drawing a curve in between. So how to do that? Starting from this point, bring this curve down and bring it back up. Do not connect it with the curve of nostril. See, they are apart. So you need to understand this. After this, we'll be drawing lips. To draw the lips, so the length of the lip will be from one pupil to the another one, and the corner of the lip will be in line with this pupil. So see, I'm drawing one more suggestive line this side and this side. And then we'll draw a curve. Drawing curve here on the upper lip. Then we'll connect it. Follow the same process this side. Then we draw the lower lip. So what we do, we'll just draw a curve, and we don't connect the lower lip with the upper one. Then we'll draw a curve here to define chin. Now, after this, we'll be defining the forehead as we have already marked. So you just need to draw the hairline. So from where you need to end the hairline? From at this point. Okay. As we already marked this curve, so we'll bring this line down. This side also nothing, you just need to bring this line down. Now we'll draw our ears. So here will be from this point till the nose. See. Drawing our ears. So see, from this point till here. So how you need to draw? Just need to bring a curve down from here. Keep it quite close to face and turn it back. We'll draw the same this side, starting from this point till here. Bring this curve down. Just turn it back. We'll define our hair more clearly. Then we'll draw here on the upper part of the head, little bit away from this circle line. And that's completely okay if both the side of the hair are not symmetrical. Okay. Now after this, we'll be drawing the neckline. So from here, we'll draw a curve from this side also. See, from where I'm starting, I'm just drawing a suggestive line at this point. After this, we'll dark the jawline. We'll define eyebrows. We'll define the pupil of eye. Dark Draw a circle, middle, leave some space for highlight and dark the remaining area. We'll do the same for this side. Draw a circle in middle. Then draw one more surface of highlight. Leave that white and dark the remaining area. We'll draw some few strokes here to define hairs. And we'll erase the unwanted lines of this measurement. And with this, front face of a female is complete. So this is how we measure a face in an idealistic way. Follow the same step and measurement and try to draw a male face this side. Okay, observe the male character around you and try to draw it. The jawline of the male will be more angular and the eyebrows will be quite broad. You can find the more difference in the hairline and in the ear, also in the size of the nose and also on the lip line. So observe that in your surrounding and draw a male face in the remaining section.